girl Chantal, coming back with another video. So today I am super excited to be filming this video. I have waited for about 2 weeks just so that I could do this video when I just had time to just really indulge. So you see I'm in my bathrobe. This is my pink bathrobe. However, on the weekends, I make sure that I have some self-care, okay? It may entail me doing dermaplaning my face, doing a facial, doing my nails, manicure, pedicure, whatever it is. Ladies and even guys, self-care is very important because it is also a form of self-love to be able to sit there and take that time to yourself to take care of yourself. And don't feel guilty about that. Parents, don't feel guilty about taking that time to yourself to strengthen your inner spirit, just to strengthen your mental, just to have that time to love on yourself, because I love me some me. Okay, so anywho, on to the video. So today, this is my makeup corner, a part of it's kind of my makeup corner, my office, and my craft room all in one. And so I had been wanting this item, was super excited, was looking at on Ulta, wasn't too thrilled of the pricing that they had. But y'all, the item that I'm speaking of this baby right here, the Finishing Touch Flawless Beauty Fridge. Okay, I have been wanting one of these beauty fridges for the longest. And then it finally came up to where I just typed in beauty fridge because I was looking for a more inexpensive beauty fridge that was not over $100. Okay, so found this beauty fridge, y'all, at Bed Bath & Beyond. So it is $59.99 at Bed Bath & Beyond. Online at the time when I purchased this 2 weeks ago, the online had already matched another competitor at $53.99. So I wasn't able to use my store coupon. However, I went into the store and I'm not sure what store Bed Bath & Beyond had matched online. So I was able to use the store coupon, which was a better deal in store than purchasing it online. So I actually was able to get mine for $47.99 and I'm super excited about it. So we are going to unbox this bad boy and I am so excited. So I am looking forward to putting all of my face masks. I even have a couple of feet masks that I had purchased from Sephora from a sale. I think it was like last month. I had purchased a bunch of little masks and things. You could put your creams, your serums, your toners, your face mist, and then even your facial tools. If you have a roller, you can absolutely put that in as well. So it does have a 68-inch power cord, and there's also included stickers on the box. Finishing Touch Flawless Beauty Fridge features and benefits cooling skincare products, helps prevent premature aging, oxidation, and discoloration. Cooling skincare products also helps calm the skin and leaves you feeling rejuvenated. Cooling beauty tools can leave your skin feeling fresher. Chilled products help soothe redness and calm inflamed, tired skin. And then the other added feature of this particular beauty fridge is that it can either go from cooling to warming. So I thought that was pretty dope. All right, so we are pulling her out. Absolutely gorgeous. Now look at this. So it is a miniature fridge here. It has flawless, so you see that it's white. And the hardware on it is rose gold, which is my favorite. I prefer rose gold over anything else. And then on the back here, you have your connection for the cord, and then you can switch it from warming to cool. Okay, so let's open her. Absolutely beautiful. So that's how she looks on the inside. And the door, you have a little compartment here where you can put like your mask and things. And then on the inside, you do have a shelf here, and then that's the extension cord. That's the cord that comes in there. So you guys, I am absolutely excited. So it looks like the compartment here is removable. You could take it in and out. So if you have a bottle that you want to store that's taller, this will come out there if you don't want that shelf. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and put the extension in, and of course I'm going to use mine to cool my feet mask. And then I don't know, you know, maybe one day I'll try the warming setting. I would think I would probably take my products out and place like a face towel in there, or a hand towel to where I can use if I'm doing like a pedicure or my own manicure before I put my nails on. Because I do, I typically will go get a pedicure maybe like twice a year, and then just upkeep my toes myself. You know, with everything that's going on now, one thing that it has taught me is to DIY, do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Save a coin while you're at it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and plug her in. There she is. So she is all plugged in, absolutely gorgeous. I love it, you guys. There's a handle here for easy pickup if you need to pick it up to move it. Okay, so I did grab some of the things that I want to put in my beauty fridge today. So this is one of the masks that I got from Sephora. And it is the Sephora Green Tea Face Mask for mattifying and anti-blemish. Says it's enriched with green tea extract of natural origin. It durably mattifies the skin, reduces the appearance of imperfection for skin that is clear, fresh, and perfectly matte. So I want to try that one out. And then I also got the Sephora Almond Foot Mask. Here as well, nourish dry feet, soften rough areas, and make skin supple for feet that are soothed, softened, and look repaired. I also picked up this Sephora Rose Mask here. I am going to go ahead and stick these in here. I've already placed my Morphe makeup remover wipes there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my mask in the door. Let's see which one. We can get that one. We can get these two. I'm just gonna fold this one in half and set that down there, since I don't have any bottles just yet. I do have some toners and some serums that I'll put in there, maybe like my Mario Badescu vitamin C serum. I have a few others, but you guys, so cute on my marble top table, which I also, by the way, purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.